Before I go into the gym, I just want to talk about vitamin D and sunlight. Why it's essential for your health, okay? Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, all right? It's a fat soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in bone health, immune function, mood regulation, and overall well-being, all right? You see, our bodies naturally produce vitamin D when our skin is exposed to the sunlight, making sun exposure one of the best ways to maintain healthy levels. All right. How the sun helps produce vitamin D. You see, when UVB rays from the sun hit your skin, they trigger a process that converts dehydrocholesterol, a compound in the skin, into vitamin D3, okay? This is processed by the liver and kidneys into its active form. And so, yeah. And the reason why vitamin D is good for you is because it strengthens bones and prevents osteoporosis, all right? Vitamin D helps absorb calcium and minerals essential for strong bones and teeth, okay? It prevents rickets in children, very important, and osteoporosis in adults, okay? Vitamin D also boosts the immune system, supports T cells and macrophages, fights infections, viruses, and even bacteria. It reduces diseases like multiple sclerosis and arthritis. Some of those words I'm not pronouncing correctly, but oh well. It also helps with mood and depression. It helps regulate serotonin levels, which influences the mood and mental health. That's a big problem here in America. A lot of people are dealing with mental health issues. And yeah, so you can't go wrong with vitamin D. What else? It supports heart health, okay? It may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. It helps regulate inflammation and blood vessel function, all right? What else? It aids in metabolism too, okay? You see, like some studies suggest vitamin D helps control appetite and fat storage, all right? It reduces certain cancers, okay? Another thing research studies suggest is that vitamin D may help reduce the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancer, all right? By controlling cell growth. You know, there's a lot of chemical in the world, a lot of chemical in the foods. You may ask, how much sunlight do you need? Fair skin, 10 to 30 minutes of midday sun between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. a few times a week, all right? Darker skin tones may need 30 to 60 minutes due to like high melanin, which blocks UVB absorption, all right? Older adults and those in low sunlight areas may require supplements, okay? So, another thing you may ask, can you get too much? You see, your body naturally regulates vitamin D from sunlight, okay? So it won't overdo the sun exposure, okay? However, some sun exposure increases the risk of skin cancer. So balance is key. You don't want to be looking at the sun for a long period of time, all right? And if you don't get enough sun, you can supplement with like fatty fish, okay? Mackerel, tuna, stuff like that. Egg yolks, fortified foods like milk, orange juice, cereals, and vitamin D3 supplements. And so yeah, please, vitamin D is essential for a strong immune system, strong for your bones and mental well-being, all right? Getting moderate